In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Razer headphones to a PS5. So this is possible, but the connection method, of course, will depend on your Razer headsets model. If you have an USB wireless model like the Black Shark example V2 Pro, you can connect an example using the included USB dongle. If you have a wired model, you can connect it directly to the DualSense controller. And if you have a Bluetooth only Razer headphones, you cannot connect it directly to a PS5 because the PS5 does not support standard Bluetooth audio devices. So in that case, you'll need a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter. So as I said, the first option is connecting with a wireless Razer headset. If your headset includes a USB wireless dongle, just plug the USB dongle into the PS5 and turn on your headsets and wait for a few seconds for it to pair automatically. Most Razer wireless gaming headsets connect this way. If you do have a wired headset, you will have basically to plug the cable into the headset and connect the other end to the 3.5mm jack on your DualSense controller. The PS5 should automatically switch audio to the headset. Once you connect that on your PS5, you can go to your settings, click on sound, open audio outputs, and from there you can choose your Razer headsets. If it isn't selected automatically, just choose it manually. The same will be for your microphone. You can select your microphone and you can test it as well. Speak into the microphone to confirm it's working, or you can try it with your friends if you can get into or with them with a lobby. And of course, if the PS5 does not support a standard Bluetooth audio headset, as example, maybe your Bluetooth Razer doesn't or won't connect, it's because the PS5 does not support standard Bluetooth audio headsets. So you will have to use the included USB wireless dongle if your model has one, or you will need the compatible USB Bluetooth adapter that you can buy anywhere. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.